do it today on Just Do It.
Hey. Yeah, I feel like a douche.
That's Lucy. this is Rebecca.
Hi, Rebecca.
That's creepy.
I just pet her.
I've got a rowhead. Look at this. We got retarded Barbies. Oh my gosh.
I don't know why he's naked in the background. Honestly, I wasn't doing anything. Oh my god, she closed my lips. I wasn't doing anything.
I'm pulling his shirt up.
Alright. I can't.
Oh, okay then.
I have candies somewhere here.
So the past few weeks have been very hard on us. That's why we haven't made any videos.
I'm pregnant.
Yeah, so we couldn't make any videos. Yeah. You're pregnant. Get off him.
Sorry.
I can't. You get out of the closet.
Get out of the closet, Ken. We all know you're gay. I'll come out tomorrow. Tomorrow. Not really out of the closet mood right now. We all know you're gay. There's no point. Oh my god.
This is way too much fun. Okay. Who has time for this?
It's like my black penis.
24 seconds. Okay, on who has time for this?
Who has time to play with Barbies and make sure Ken's gay? Who has time for this?
We do.
Peace out.
Bye.